Hello again, everyone. It is May 22nd, Monday. This is video number 8 with the 617 Nasdaq contract. We are trading 3 contracts for 27 tick targets. We use our unique Renko bar set, which you get if you purchase the trading system, and we're using the same settings each and every week. You need to watch video 1 through 7 to better understand what the system is doing. We will be showing trading for the week of May 14th through the 19th, that is this past current week. Okay, you can see we have the same number 7 Renko chart, Nasdaq 617, 514. We start on Sunday evening, so that would be around 5 o'clock. That's that white line at 5 o'clock, and I'm going to start the system now. You can trade 1 contract on this system, or you can trade 5 or even 10 contracts on this system. To trade the Nasdaq, it's half price compared to the crude oil or gold markets because they require more margin. This is $5 a tick. Gold and crude are $10 a tick. But the Nasdaq index does very well with this, and this is our first index trading system that we've ever had that works consistently, and it's awfully nice to see this work because you're not just one specific commodity. This is the group of companies that are on the Nasdaq system. Anybody can trade this. This is affordable for everyone. Okay, usually on Sunday evenings it starts off kind of slow. Now, before we take a trade, just like all the other videos, you'll have to see a blue line on the screen, and that means that the market has moved in a certain direction or a couple of directions enough to be able to start trading. We call it our stretch system, which is adjustable. Everything in our system is adjustable. There's your blue line. Now, it is about 5 o'clock a.m. in the morning. We start this system at about 5:15 p.m. every day. We usually give it 15 minutes to open up, move around. Sometimes it gaps up and down on a Sunday night. Mostly on the weekdays, it's pretty normal. It just picks up where it leaves off. But over the weekend, you might have news come out and it might move the market one direction or another. Now, we can trade.
Order pending.
There it is.
Order
it's a long
filled.
trade. Okay, we hit a target. Now, what you see here is it did not hit our target, green dot target. It was less than that, but we have stop movement and it moved the stop right up there. So you got
order pending.
Pretty much on this trade, you got quite a bit. You probably got 21 ticks on this trade instead of 27. That's at 27. This is your fail-safe stop, but if it comes back down, it reverses long before it hits that. That's just a fail-safe stop. Okay, we're in another trade. It didn't make it on this one.
Order filled.
Okay, and looks like it stopped for the day here. So it just stopped. Okay, it's going to wait, and you'll see another white line, and it'll be the beginning of the new day. And this automatically adjusts. You don't really have to do anything. It automatically will stop and start all by itself. There's your white line that represents 5 p.m. We're going to trade somewhere right around here. Sometimes these bars, if it's moving slow, a lot of time will pass and it'll still stay on the same bar. These are not minute bars. These are our Renko bar set. And again, you'll have to, each and every day, you have to see the blue line on the chart before the system can start trading. So if it's moving down and you see the blue line, chances are you're going to take a long trade. It's going to be your first trade. We have starts and stops. We have daily limits. We have daily stops. We have everything built in the system that we have been using for many years. So it's just for protection. Some days will pass and you won't trade at all because the market never really can get out of its own way. That's a good thing. Okay, there's your blue line. Chances are a short trade's going to be the first one. If it just keeps going up here, it will not trade.
Order filled.
Okay, you hit the full target that time.
Order pending.
And a full target on 3 of these at 27 ticks is about $405. $5
Order
taken
filled.
out. You can see where you, okay, you hit 2 of them now. So this is already starting to be a good week. You're up $1,135 after 2 full days of trading, and it's still trading.
Order filled.
Okay, well right here what happened is it got in and the time, it was at the end of the day, so the time got us out automatically. Okay, you're up $1,125 after the second full day. You had Sunday night into Monday, that counts as one day, and then Tuesday, Monday night to Tuesday. So this is Tuesday evening right here, what you're seeing overnight. And this is why we run it, because it doesn't really trade early. It's got to move around. We wanted to move around. Yeah, you give up some profit sometimes of trades you could have taken, but at least you have the knowledge that, hey, the market already has moved, so it's likely to continue to move at least that much. It's just a strategy we built into the system. Okay, you can see we went all evening without a blue line, and then we enter the next morning.
Order pending.
Okay, I'm sorry, the blue line is back here. I missed it. Okay, it happened, and then it had to keep moving, and then it's in a trade right now. It looks like it's short,
pending.
and it didn't make it. So you gave up some money right there. You're down $305. You can see that right here. You're still up $720 for the week, but if you look at this box down here, you're down $305. And that is going to happen.
Order filled.
Okay, again, you didn't hit a full target. You hit probably about 1.1 tick target, but then it turned around and went, and now you're up $360 for the day. So you made a pretty nice recovery so far. Now, we trade three contracts.
Order filled.
Okay, wow, another big day here.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay.
Order pending.
Huge day, huge day.
Order pending.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to stop it right here. We consider this a $2,000 a week trading system with 3 contracts on the Nasdaq. When we get to 2,000, we're looking to stop for the whole week. It doesn't matter when you hit it. We're looking for that. Okay, here we are. We're on Wednesday, and we've already hit our daily target. Okay, our profit target, which is $12.50 in one day. Well, in this case, it made $13.60 because it went over $12.50. So it stopped. It's not going to trade anymore. You are done. Now, you were over 2,000 here, and then it gave a little bit back and then went for a win here. So you should have stopped here, but the system now has stopped you automatically. It's not going to trade anymore, no matter what here, even if we run it to the end of the day. This is 9:30 in the morning, but it's not going to trade anymore. I'll run it to the end of the day. But you know what? You don't even need to see Thursday and Friday, because this is the limit of the system. And yes, you could make a little more, but you can give a lot of it back. So we don't run that risk. You know, we've been doing this a long time, and we have rules, and if you break those rules, you usually pay for it. So why do that? You're up $2,385. Now, would it have made a little bit more? Yes, it probably would have, but it could have turned right around and start giving it back, which you don't want to do. So this is the end of the day. As you see, it's not trading. It's automatically stopped. It tells you down here, daily profit limit, 1250 has reached. You made 1360 on this day. You're already up 1,000 from the prior 2 days. You're done for the week. This video is over. We do not need to keep trading. Okay. But for purposes of looking at an account performance report, let's take a peek at it. All right, we started on the 14th. Today is the 17th. Okay, we're going to generate this report, and this is what it says. Total net profit of $23.85. That's what you see down here. That's what it made. It made that on 24 trades, and it was only $60 commission. It wasn't much trading going on. Now you see that number 24. Well, each time it gets in 3, that counts for 3 trades. So that doesn't count for 1. It counts for 3. And the profit factor was great. It was 4.88. That's very high. It's not usually that high, but that is very high. Percent profitable was 87.5% profitable. So, you know, highly successful few days, and on and on and on. So these things are great to look at. You had 3 days. Let's see what you did for the daily. That's how you do that. You made $335, $690, and $1360 in 3 days. You're done for the whole week. Now, if you, we don't usually talk about this, but if you are not a trader that knows how to operate a system like that, if you would like to start trading and you're interested in this system, what we do is we charge $500 to set you up. Now, we trade on servers, so that's the way we do it. We will set you up. We will show you how to get a server. That's usually about $170 a month cost, and you have to get a Ninja trader if you don't already have it. You can either lease a license key or purchase a license key. We show you how to go through all of that. We completely set it up for you. We will do that for $500. This is extra over and above the cost of the system, and get you to a push button point where you can just turn it on and turn it off. So if that's something you may be interested in, please call us. We'll be glad to help you. But we cannot do it for free because everybody wants help. Everybody don't need help. And it takes a little time to do that. So, but we will offer that for a new trader, a person who's interested in the market. But, you know, what would you like? What would be a perfect account size to trade this? $10,000 would be a nice account to start with. You could start with more if you intend to trade more. Some people start with a $50,000 account, but everybody don't have that. So this is the Nasdaq index. It's geared for the small trader. You can start off trading 1 contract, and then as you start working with that, you can go to 2, 3, 4, 5. The Nasdaq can handle it. It's a very good market to trade because it's usually volatile, and you know, it's up and down, but and you can go have some slow weeks. You know, we've seen some already on these videos. So if you're interested in that, you can let us know. And we're going to have a live webinar tomorrow on May 23rd at 3:30 Eastern Time. So if you'd like to join us, you can ask some questions in there. I'll demonstrate several of the weeks past. We had a nice run of 8 weeks. This is the number 8 consecutive weekly video that we run every single week. And so please join us. We'd like to show it to you. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. We'll have another video next week. Thank you very much.